NRSV and NLT, there is 61% difference. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go into the word study of this passage here. I have selected five key terms, two nouns and two verbs. So the first two nouns that we're going to be talking about is the word servant, which means minister, or diakonos is the Greek word for it, and that can be found in verse 25. And also the second word is alkimonia, which the word commission, which means stewardship or administrations. In these two verses, there are a total of 9 nouns. And the next slide that you're going to be looking at here are the three key terms, and those terms are verbs. In these two passages,